You are not running a business. Your business is running you, and it's running you straight into the ground. You started this journey because you wanted freedom. You wanted financial freedom. You wanted time freedom, the ability to travel, spend time with family, or just work on things that actually excite you. But instead, you have built yourself a cage. Your business doesn't move without you. If you stop working, everything collapses. The fact is, 90% of businesses fail within the first 5 years, not because they are not good, but because the owner is stuck doing everything themselves. If you don't escape this trap now, you won't just burn out, you will be stuck in a cycle that kills your passion, your business, and maybe even your health. But what if I told you there was a way to make your business run without you? A system so powerful that things happen automatically, money flows in without micromanaging, and you finally get to enjoy the life you dreamt of. The reason why you started the business in the first place. That's exactly what I'll be talking in this video today. I'm Chandan. I'm a business automation coach and a consultant, certified in Salesforce HubSpot and many other technologies. And I help business owners like you escape the never-ending hustle by creating systems that do the work for you using modern-day business tools. This is the exact system used by the CEOs and top entrepreneurs to turn their businesses into machines that print money for them, even when they are sleeping. By the end of this video, you will have a bulletproof plan to automate your business and finally regain control over your time. So let's get started. Most entrepreneurs make one fatal mistake. They think busyness is equal to success. They think working harder will make them more money. They believe that if they are not involved in every decision, the business will fail. And that's exactly why they stay stuck. Let me tell you a story. I once worked with a business owner named Adam. He was from California. He ran a business which was very successful. It was an e-commerce brand. And he made around $1 million. Behind the scenes, he was miserable. He worked 14 hours a day, never saw his kids, never took a vacation. And every time he tried to step away, things fell apart. One day his wife asked him a very simple question, which was, what's the point of making all this money if you are never here to enjoy it? That hit him really hard. And if that hit you too, then listen carefully. Because the only way Adam got his life back was by doing one thing, building systems. Let's talk about the 3-part system for business automation. If you want a business that runs without you, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, delegate and delete. Remove yourself from the chaos. Bold truth is, 80% of the business or the work you do doesn't need to be done by you. Most entrepreneurs waste time on tiny tasks instead of focusing on the big picture. Answering emails, delegate. Customer support, it can be automated. Repetitive admin work, hire a VA. If you can't delete or automate a task, then outsource it. Do you think Elon Musk packs Tesla cars himself? No. He builds systems that ensures it gets done without him. Step number 2, automate everything possible. If a task happens more than once, it needs a system. Example, instead of manually replying to customer inquiries, set up a system. Set up a chatbot system. Use automated email sequences. Create a FAQ page that answers 80% to 90% of the questions. Instead of manually scheduling social media posts, use scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Instead of hiring a team to track leads and follow-ups, use CRM softwares like Salesforce or HubSpot or Pipedrive. Everything that can be automated should be automated. And step number 3, build a team that thinks like you. If you don't trust your team to run your business without you, you have built it wrong. Hiring random people and expecting them to figure it out is a recipe for disaster. Instead, do this. Create SOPs, which is standard operating procedures. Every process in your business should have a step-by-step guide so that your team can follow it without even asking you. Train leaders, not workers. Don't hire people to just do tasks. Hire decision makers who can think, solve problems, and run operations without needing you. Next is fire fast, hire smart. If someone can't follow your system, they don't belong in your business. I want you to imagine this. You wake up and check your phone. You see sales notifications, happy customers, and a growing bank balance without lifting a finger. You even take week-long vacation, and instead of chaos, your business grows while you are away. You finally have financial freedom and time freedom. This isn't a dream. This is what systems do. If you don't build a system, you will stay trapped forever. But if you follow these steps, if you delete, if you automate, and if you build a good team, your business will work for you, not the other way around. So now you have a choice. Keep doing everything yourself and stay stuck, or start building systems and buy back your time forever. If you are serious about automating the business, we can talk. Otherwise, follow the channel, subscribe. I keep posting a lot of videos on this channel, which is around automating the business processes and how to get ahead in life. See you in my next video.